Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are dealing with the questions that is asked as per the latest pattern and syllabus that is released by CBSE board in 30th June on 30th June 2025. This is the question related to the section D carrying mark 5. Very important question for the students who are going to attend class 10 CBSE board and also for those who are going to attend class 10 whether they are a VP board or ICSE. So that you have to follow step by step. First of all, you read this question very cautiously and then try to solve this. Very important and very scoring. From the pair of the linear equations in two variables using the following information and solving them graphically. It means you have to solve the questions by preparing the equation as per the instructions given to you in equation by means of graphical system, not by algebraical method. Though you can confirm it later on that whether your question is right or not, but you have to solve by means of graphical system. First of all, prepare the equation as per the question asked to you. यूपी बोर्ड और सीबीएसई सबके लिए है। पहले क्वेश्चन हमसे पढ़िए, पढ़ने के बाद इक्वेशन बनाइए। इक्वेशन को एल्जेब्रा के थ्रू नहीं सॉल्व करना है, यू हैव टू सॉल्व बाय ग्राफिकल सिस्टम, ग्राफ के सिस्टम से सॉल्व करना है। 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले, अनिल वाज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज राधिका। राधिका की उम्र से 5 साल पहले दुगना था अनिल की उम्र। द एज ऑफ द ट्वाइस ऑफ द राधिका 5 years ago. It means if we assume that X is the age of Anil and Y is the age of Radhika, then 5 years ago, it means before today, 5 years, he will be 5 years less. Okay. This is twice of the age of the Radhika 5 years ago. Okay. It means equation is this X minus 5 is equal to 2 times 5 minus 10, or we can say that X is equal to 2y minus 5, or this y will be equal to X plus 5 by 2. Okay. This is the first condition. Here we can draw a graph that is required for graphical representation, the relation between X and Y. Only two readings are enough. Now here, if X is equal to 5, then Y will be equal to 5. And X is equal to minus 5, then Y will be equal to 0. Okay, these are the two readings enough for us. We can plot these two readings in a graph, and afterward, with the help of this linear equation presentation, we have to solve. Now, second equation. दूसरी equation क्या है? 10 years later, after 10 years, it means the age of the Anil become X plus 10, and the 10 years later, Anil age will be 10 years more than the Radhika. It means Radhika age will be after 10 years. This, it is more. It means it is to be subtracted 10, then it will come equal to the Radhika's age. So that we can say X is equal to Y plus 10. This is the second equation for us. Okay. It means that here from Y is equal to X minus 10. Okay. Now we can draw another graph. Here we have to put the value of X and Y. Now if X is equal to 10, then Y is equal to 0. Okay. And if X is equal to 5, if X is equal to 5, then Y is equal to minus 5. Okay. And if X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to what? Minus 10. We can do it this. Okay. These are the readings. Here we can also put the value of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 is equal to y, this is not to be done. Okay. Now we are going to plot these equations. How we can plot this equation in the graphical system. This is to be done. This is to be noted over here. This I am going to note it down. इसको नोट कर लेते हैं तो आसान हो जाएगा, बाद में प्लॉट करेंगे. पहली इक्वेशन थी x और y की, ये 5 5 -5 and 0. The equation थी, this was the equation, this 2y is equal to x plus 5 के लिए 2y is equal to x plus 5. सेकेंड ग्राफ है हमारे पास, इक्वेशन है y is equal to x minus 10. इसके लिए क्या है जो हमने बनाया है, that is x and y. We are giving x and y, that is tan 0 and 0 and minus 10. Okay, and we can, this is 5 or minus 5 also. 5 and minus 10, 5 and minus 5, 0 and minus 10. Okay, this is also given to us. Now what we can do, this is to be rubbed. Now I'm going to rub it. Graph is going to be prepared. These are the two equations we have obtained. दो इक्वेशन हमने बना ली हैं. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन हमें करना है, and we have to find the value by means of graphical system. Okay, now 0. All the multiples are 5, so that we have it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, this is small. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is 0, 0. Now first condition, this equation, we are going to plot this. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. It means this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Same is over here. 5, 10, 20, 15, and 20. Okay. 5 into 5. This is the point. 5 and 5 both are plus. Minus 5. If x is equal to minus 5, it means this is. Now this is 0. Y is equal to. It means we are having this point and this point. This is 5, 5. And this is 5 and 0. Minus 5 and 0. Okay. Second one. This is, if we join these 2 points, then we'll get the equation. इसको join करेंगे, equation देंगे. Y is equal, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 0. This is remain over here. This is 10 and 0 point. Okay. 5 and minus 5. If it is 5, then it is minus 5. It means this is B. This is the point. This. 5 and minus 5. Now we are having 2 points. Now we have to join these two. Okay. Now going to join this. If we join this, this is to be joined over here. This. Okay. This is the equation. For equation, y is equal to x minus 10. Okay. This is the point, this point, and this point. Now we are going to join these two. These two. If we join these two, then this will go in somehow this way. this. In this way, we'll get something here. This will be definitely equal to 25 and 15. 25 and 15. This is 15 and this is 25. Measurement is somewhat, because we have drawn by hand, it will be definitely come 25 and 15. You can solve it. 2y is equal to x plus 5. This is the equation number 1. Or this is y is equal to x minus 10. Okay, subtract karo. You can subtract both this side. So it was y. This is subtracted. This is 50. Y is equal to 50. And if putting y is equal to 50 in this equation or in this equation, y is equal to x minus 10. It means 15 x minus 10. Then x will be equal to 25. X will be equal to 25. This is 25 and 15 will be the value of x. It will be definitely come. This is by hand we have done. You will use the scale, then it will be perfectly come. X is equal to 25 and y is equal to 50. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck. Then you can check also. You can check also. Then you see that presently x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 50. Now, presently this is 5 years back you go. This will come 20 and this will be 10. So it will be twice. And 10 years after it will be 35. It will be 25. So it will be 10 times more. 20, 35 and 25 is less than 10 times more than the Radhika. It is 35. It become after 10 years 35. It becomes 25. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.